Hello guys, welcome to another successful video, and I hope you are doing great and will be in good health. Sometimes your computer is working slow and hanging again and again while doing our work, which is very disturbance for us. And to resolve this problem, some people start downloading and installing new Windows and try to find some softwares to speed up the system. But all these techniques are time taking, and it is not a good practice to install a new window for every problem. It's not a good practice. So today I will teach you how to speed up your system without installing any software or new window in your PC. So just follow the steps that I am doing now. First of all, go to your search bar. This is your search bar, and enter temp just like this. First percentage sign, then write temp, TEMP, then again temp, percentage sign. Write this one on your search bar. When you enter this, then press enter. It will open a new screen. Okay, now you can see there are many items here. Basically these are temp files, and I am going to delete these all files, so don't worry about this. If I will delete these files, it will not affect your Windows processings and other files that Windows is used to run any program. It will not affect that files. Basically these are temporary files that are running in your backgrounds and using unnecessary usage of your power, just like power usage, CPU usage, RAM usage, and the other things that involve in window when we are using our computer. So don't worry about that, it will not disturb your window files. So just select all and delete the files. Go to your delete. Also skip this. If it is asked for any file they cannot be deleted, you can skip it from here. Okay, also delete this. Try again. No, remain this file here, keep this file here, no problem, but delete the maximum file as possible as you can. Okay, so this was the first step. Now I am going to move the second step. The second step is to go to your home screen. Just minimize it. Go to your home screen and find the recycling bin icon here. This is the recycling bin icon. Open it. Also delete all files from here. That is, delete all files. Okay, second step is done. Now I am going to move to the third step. The third step is to clean up your C drive from extra files. How we will do that? Just follow me. First of all, go to this PC or my computer. Indicate the C drive. Here is C drive. Just right click here and select properties. This is properties. Here new window is pop up, and you can check this is disk cleanup button here. Just click this button. It will scanning your file. Now these are files, thumbnail, temporary files. These files is already deleted by me, that are temp files that I have searched from here and delete all other files that were temporary files. You can also select recycling bin from here. If there is unnecessary data on your download, you can mark here also. Here temporary internet files also checked. Okay, all these files checked. Look here, downloaded program files, temporary files, recycling bin, temporary files again, thumb. After check marking this, clean up the system files. Now it's cleaning your C drive. It will take some time to complete. After completing this step, and this was our third step. After completing the third step, I am going to move fourth step. Okay, so it is done. Delete files. Okay, complete. The third step is complete. Okay, now the next step is to analyze and defragmentations of your disks. So how can we do that? Just go to your search bar and search search defrag. Here I just try DE and it will complete the automatically here. Defragment and optimize disk. Just open this app and first of all analyze all of your disks. Click here, analyze. It is running. Now the second, analyze. Now the other, analyze. In this way analyze the all disks. After analyzing the all disks, when it is completed, optimize the disk. It is optimized. Now I am going to optimize this disk. Now I am going to optimize this one. Okay, also this one optimize. Actually I have just recently fragment my disks, so it is showing 0% fragmented. Actually I am doing it recently. If you have not done it for a long time, then your PC will be slow, and if you did this step, then your fragmented show percentage, that this percentage of your disk is fragmented. After completing this step, restart your computer and must refresh it 2 to 3 times. After completing this step, when your system is restart, refresh your computer 2 or 3 times before doing any work on your window. If still your problem not resolved, okay, then go to task manager here. After completed this, I am going another solutions. If after doing this for the fourth step still you have found any problem on your system, I will tell you how to indicate that any other problem which exists in your system. Keep it doing, minimize. I am going to minimize it. If after doing these are 4 steps, if your computer still hanging and slowly running, you have to check your task manager. After restarting your computer, refresh your computer 3 to 4 times and start your work. If still the problem exists, then go to task manager and check the performance of your CPU. Like here, this is your CPU. Now here you can check disk is performance is very high, CPU is using too much. Sorry. task manager. Look here, and this is my CPU progress, this is memory, my RAM, this is my disk, and this is network GPU. Okay, if doing these steps, if still your system have a problem of hanging and slow operations, then open your task manager and check these columns. If any of these columns is in red, you can, so the problem is here. If any column is red, so I don't have any column in red here, so I don't have any problem in my PC. But if your PC have a problem, if a column here is red, so problem is there. So you have to just update your processor or RAM or disk, whatever the column is it. For example, if your memory column is in red, so you have to upgrade your RAM. For example, if your RAM is 4 GB, you have to upgrade it to 6 GB or 4 GB, whatever you want, then your problem will resolve. And follow the same technique for processor and other disks and GPU. If you still need any assistance, then please comment down below. It's still running, then comment down below on this video. I would love to help you. And the last thing, please must subscribe to my channel for more video, and also share this video with your friends if they are facing same problem. Once again, thanks for watching my video and subscribing my channel. We will meet up again in the next tutorial, so stay tuned and keep watching. Goodbye.